Hello and welcome to the Gerard Deco channel. The first version of the air purifier has been fully finalized, and now I'm ready to share the results of my work. The air purifier consists of the fine filters and computer fans, and can be made at home with your own hands. I have fixed all the critical issues, improved the build process, and now it's completely finished. This is a fully working version. The case elements fit perfectly. It's something like children's construction set. STL files for printing can be available on various platforms at the links in the description. They will be free for charge. Everyone can be able to download, print and assemble their own DIY air purifier, which will cost then less $100. The list of components will also be in the description. In this video I'll briefly show the print settings and also the process of preparing and assembling all parts into a finished product. All information will be divided into sections: print settings, preparation, assembly. Sometimes in this video I'll link to my other video where I talk about the new version of the air purifier. It has been completely redesigned with the focus on minimizing dimensions and optimizing printing. It has additional carbon filters and requires less filament and time to print. Both versions have the same component base. If anyone is interested, the link will be in the description. So let's go! As for the print settings, first of all, you need to consider that the largest part has the next dimensions: 250 by 200 mm and edge 182 mm. So the print area should be appropriate, not less. It's very important to pay attention to owners of small printers. I printed all large parts with the layer height of 0.3, 3 walls, 3 layers from the bottom and 3 layers from the top, and 30% infill. Regarding screws and nuts, it's better to try a few pieces for testing. You may need a lower layer height. For nuts, I added an additional wall. For some parts, you need to manually adjust the seams or additional supports for overheading elements. In this video, everything is shown for each element, but without comments. If you need more information, then watch the video with the updated version of the air purifier. It describes in more detail how to do similar actions. There are also step-by-step instructions on how to add seams and supports. So move on, let's not spend too much time on this. So we printed all the parts. Next we need to remove the supports, brims and check the geometry of the connection elements. I'll quickly show the whole process to demonstrate how it happens for me. Remove the supports one by one, gradually without rushing. We need to remove all the excess pieces of filament. The surfaces should be smooth and clean, without any deformations. The pins should enter the hole without unnecessary effort. Installing the fans is quite simple. For this we have screws and nuts. Each screw consists of two halves. To facilitate the work, the nuts have special cutouts, and special wrench has also been developed. You need to sequentially screw the fans and secure the power cables. The kit includes all the necessary holders. Again, in the video with the updated version of the air purifier is a detailed review with the comments. You can watch it if you need it. In addition, we will need side panels. I used household cardboard. Panel dimensions 135 by 505 mm and thickness 5 mm. To install the top cover, position the connectors according to the filters and corner posts and press it. There are arrows on the filter that should indicate the direction of the airflow. Install it correctly. As for the updated version, I implemented the fastener in such a way that it's possible to mount panels up to 8 mm. This will allow the use of laminate or possibly natural wood. I hope this project will help many people improve air quality and quality of life. Don't forget that the channel has information about the newer version of the air purifier with activated carbon filters. Thank you for your attention, subscribe, comment, share your ideas and support the project. All the best!